we are assembling the school bus Slimline box card. So I've got several pieces here, and let's just take a look at them really quick. So this piece with the faces is your insert, okay? It has a tab on each side. That's for your insert. We've got this piece that has tabs on just one side, and then this black piece, and this is gonna glue right on it, just like this. Okay, that's your front. Then this one I cut out in blue. This is the back, and the reason that I cut it out in blue is because I wanted my background to be blue. So whatever color you cut out your back piece, that is for the background of your windows, okay? Now, because I wasn't cutting that in the school bus yellow, there is one square panel, and that is for this one right here, okay? You have a door. This is just an extra accent piece for there. You've got your centers of your wheel and your stop sign. All right, this piece is your panel for your sentiment that goes on the back. And let's just jump in. I'm going to start here with the front piece so that this has plenty of time to dry. I want to glue these pieces on it and then put it under my mat to dry while we assemble the rest. Okay, so I do want to make sure to get all these little cuts so that they're not getting stuck on anything when the card is assembled. All right. Now the stop sign is these three pieces. Okay, now I'm just going to lay this under my mat. Okay, I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm going to put it under my mat because this is a big panel to put on. It's going to add a lot of moisture. So this white panel goes on the outside. That is for you to write your message. And then we're going to slide this under the mat. Okay. Now let's work on our people. We'll just pull this in and do one at a time. You're going to put one of the little black pieces behind the eyes and the mouth. And then these little pieces are their shirt. Okay. And glue them in their seat. Okay, those are the centers of my tire that I did not put on. I'll put that on after we finish these. So again, we're gonna glue this just back here behind that. And for the bow, I'm going to put the dot of glue on there. Now put her in her seat. That right behind. Doom, doom, doom. his shirt on. Okay. I could have had a couple of these done. I'm sorry that this is kind of dragging on. And again, we're going to put them in a seat. And then the bus driver. Okay. So this card only has one insert. Now, let's pull. There we are. So I'm going to fold this on its tabs just to have it ready to go. Let's fold this on its tabs and this. I just want to make sure that my wheels are level. That's why I want it on the ground on the table while I glue those together. And that was one thing that, okay. So now we're going to take our insert, put glue here on the tab, and lay it down inside the card. Hold it both ways. And open that up. And we're going to put glue on this tab. And fold this over because we are gluing this to the other side. Fold it both ways. Now let's put glue here on this tab so we can close it up. messy. And there is our school bus box card. Thank you for joining me.